I've been sent a lot of stuff as a product reviewer, but this was probably something I was the most excited for. It's my favorite perfume ever, and Victor and Rolf sent me this box as a gift. I mean, that was goals right there. I feel like I've accomplished something really big. Okay, but this isn't about me. This is about the perfume. So let me show you what you get in this kit. You get a large size of Flowerbomb. So then you're gonna get the body lotion. It just smells so good. And then this is gonna be the small size of the cream. And here is Flowerbomb. So what makes Flowerbomb so special? The smell. It smells so good, and it smells really good on you as well as just in the bottle. I did a lot of testing of perfume when I was trying to find a new perfume. I mean, I probably smelled like 50 of them, and I started asking for recommendations, and everyone again and again would say Flowerbomb, Flowerbomb. And once I got it and tried it, I was like, oh, I get it. It is that amazing. Just smells so, so good. I just put it on my wrist. Just a beautiful floral smell that you are going to love. It's a perfect gift as well. If you're looking for just a perfume for someone and you don't know what to give, because everyone has such different tastes, I feel like this one is universally loved by so many people. And I love that you can get a gift set that also includes the lotions. So this is pretty rad.